Can autosomal dominant inheritance explain Huntington's disease? Imagine a family where one member develops a mysterious set of symptoms that seem to pass from parent to child. What if this pattern is actually a clue to a genetic condition? Today, we're exploring how Huntington's disease is inherited and what makes it unique. Huntington's disease is caused by a change in a specific gene called the HTT gene, located on chromosome 4. Normally, this gene has a small segment of DNA called a CAGS trinucleotide repeat, which repeats fewer than 36 times. In people with Huntington's disease, this segment repeats 40 or more times. The more repeats there are, the more likely symptoms will appear, and usually at a younger age. This gene change is inherited in an autosomal dominant pattern. That means just one copy of the mutated gene from either parent is enough to cause the disease. If a parent has the mutation, each child has a 50% chance of inheriting it. This pattern applies equally to males and females, so both are equally at risk. Because the mutation is dominant, even if the other copy of the gene is normal, the disease will still develop. The presence of one mutated gene is enough to cause the symptoms associated with Huntington's disease. Sometimes, new mutations can happen, but this is rare. Usually, the disease is passed down through families over generations. From a family health perspective, this inheritance pattern makes genetic testing very useful. If someone has a parent with Huntington's disease, they can get tested to see if they carry the expanded CAGS repeats. Knowing this can help with planning and early treatment options. It also allows families to understand their risks and consider options like genetic counseling. In summary, Huntington's disease is a clear example of an autosomal dominant disorder. A single mutated gene on chromosome 4 can cause the disease, and this pattern explains how it is passed from one generation to the next. Understanding this inheritance helps families make informed decisions about health and future planning.